Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel instantly.ai subscription. You must do that manually to deactivate each active plan through the billing settings. So log in, sign in to your account at app.instantly.ai, access billing, so navigate to the settings. Alright, so here at the left bottom side, click on your name, then go to the settings, like so. And the first thing is you will see here billing and usage. So here under the billing, you have some subscriptions. Now here, take a look what you have. And if you have this subscription, here will be a button where it will says cancel the plan. Just hit that button. Then you will need to complete the brief exit survey and click proceed with cancellation to confirm. So this is basically how you can cancel your subscription. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.